Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to talk to you about something very interesting, something which you all who aspire to be pilots must be thinking about. How are pilots hired? So today, we are diving into the intriguing world of aviation as we explore how pilots are hired and the factors that determine their chances of securing a job. If you've ever wondered what it takes to become a pilot and the current job market, you are at the right place. Let's get started. First thing, hiring criteria and skills assessment. Alright, so you might have heard that pilots hiring isn't solely based on their 12th and 10th percentage. In fact, it's about their skills and performance in their CPL papers. Airlines focus on these aspects to ensure they're getting the best of the best. The pilot's flying skills, especially in challenging scenarios like engine loss, instrument failure, and crosswinds, are thoroughly evaluated. The second one, type rating and simulator check. Now, if a pilot is type rated, they have to undergo a simulator check. This is a critical step that tests their ability to handle unexpected conditions that might arise during a flight. Think of it as a test of their adaptability and decision-making skills under pressure. This simulator check is where they face situations like engine failures and extreme weather conditions to prove their competence. The third thing, job opportunity and industry trends. Moving on to the big question, will a pilot get the job? Well, the answer isn't crystal clear. The aviation industry is complex and each airline hires around 4 pilots per plane. Here's an interesting tidbit. Recent statistics show that airlines have placed orders for around 100 new planes. That translates to a significant surge in job opportunities for aspiring pilots. The fourth important thing is balancing supply and demand. However, there's a flip side to this optimistic outlook. The number of CPL holders is on the rise, which could potentially lead to increased competition for those coveted pilot positions. The industry's growth brings both opportunities and challenges, making it crucial for aspiring pilots to stay informed about the industry trends and developments. To conclude, the journey to becoming a pilot involves much more than academic scores. It's about honing flying skills, acting simulator checks, and keeping an eye on the ever-changing landscape of the aviation industry. If you're passionate about flying and up for the challenge, there's definitely a world of possibilities out there. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned to our channel for more such informative videos and updates.